Use your scientific training to help spread facts and dispel fake news. Be good Christians and Catholics who express your faith through excellence in science. That is, by the way, the theme of our centennial celebrations. All of you here have made us proud of what you have achieved and been living examples of galing science. As we saw that this annual event, recognizing our outstanding alumni, is something worth doing so that we will be able to continue recognizing our alumni. We will continue to give out the Toast Awards annually, with next year's awardees will be referred to as the Neocentennial awardees. Before I end, allow me to thank the current and past officers of the Galing Science Alumni Association, headed by its current president, my batchmate, Ms. Charites Carandang Barlis, my fellow visionary administrators in the College of Science, and our hardworking academic and support staff, and dynamic students who have made this event, as well as all the other events of the week 1 of our Centennial Month, and the succeeding events of our Centennial Month, a success. Most especially to Assistant Professor Joe Raisago, Overall Chair of MIAUS 2026, Mr. Robert Cruz, Chair of Araw Parangal ng Agham, all their committee chairs and members, and last but not the least, for Toast 2026, Dr. Siti Aisha Macabago, in our Alumni Relations Committee, for the job well done setting up this event. Sasabihin ko sana graduate ka na, pero hindi ko muna sasabihin. Now for the toast. Ng toast. Mga minamahal kong kapwa alumni, pwede po tayong tumayo. And raise your glass. Sa mga minamahal kong kapwa alumni, mga guro at mga panauhin, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Tumatayo kayo ngayon at itinataas ang ating mga baso bilang pagpupugay sa ating mga Toast Awardees ngayong gabi. Ang inyong mga tagumpay ay hindi lamang pansarili, ito ay karangalan din ng ating pamantasan na humubog sa atin. Sa bawat hakbang ninyo sa labas ng ating alma mater, bitbit ninyo at ang ating mga simulain at dangal. Kayo ang patunay na ang galing science ay walang hangganan. Para sa inyong mga nakamit, para sa ating pagkakaisa bilang mga tumasinong siyentista, at para sa patuloy na paglago ng ating mahal na institusyon. Mabuhay ang ating 100 Toast Awardees, mabuhay ang Kolehiyo ng Agham, mabuhay ang Universidad ng Santo Tomas. Cheers, everyone.
As we near the end of this remarkable evening, we can't help but feel an overwhelming sense of pride and inspiration. Tonight, we've had the distinct pleasure of celebrating the extraordinary achievements of our alumni. Individuals who have not only excelled in their respective fields, but have also made profound contributions to society.
It has been an absolute privilege to witness the unwavering dedication and outstanding accomplishments of our alumni. Each award recipient embodies the values and spirit of our alma mater, serving as shining examples of excellence, integrity, and leadership.
As we prepare to bid farewell to this evening's festivities, let's carry with us the memories of tonight's inspiring stories and heartfelt memories. Let us be reminded of the profound impact that education, passion, and perseverance can have on shaping lives and shaping the world.
And as we reflect on the remarkable achievements of our alumni, let us also remember the countless individuals who have supported and guided them along their journeys. To the mentors, teachers, family members, and friends who have played a pivotal role in the success of our honorees, we extend our deepest gratitude.
Thank you to everyone who has joined us tonight to celebrate the outstanding accomplishments of our alumni. As we bid you farewell, let us carry the spirit of this evening with us, knowing that together we can continue to make a lasting impact on the world. This has been Regina Vida Kiambao from BS Psychology class of 2011.
And this has been Earl P. Tongol from BS Biology class of 2008, saying good night and may your journeys ahead be filled with continued success, fulfillment, and endless possibilities.